What's up guys, Earl here with Fugatech, and today we have the Redmi Note 12 here in our office to check out. This device packs a 6nm Snapdragon 685 processor, a 5000 mAh battery capacity, 33W fast charging, and 120Hz refresh rate. If you want to know more about the Redmi Note 12, then continue watching. Of course, we do need to take this device out of the box. Opening up the box, we are greeted with another box which contains the SIM ejector tool, bunch of paperwork and manuals, as well as our free clear jelly case. And underneath that we have the device itself, which is still wrapped in plastic. And just take that out, and also this sticker right here kind of gives us that iridescent type of glow at the back. We'll explore more on that later. And underneath that, we do have the promised 33W fast charging brick, as well as the USB Type-C to USB cable for data transfers and also for juicing up. And that's pretty much it about the unboxing part. Let's go ahead and check out this device. Now, checking out the design of the Redmi Note 12, it does look pretty straightforward. Down at the bottom, we do have the USB Type-C port, speaker grills, main microphone. Meanwhile, on the right side, we do have the volume rockers, as well as the sleep wake button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Meanwhile, on the left, we do have the dual SIM card tray. Up top, we do have the ambient light sensor, secondary microphone, and yes, we still do have that headphone jack here on the Redmi Note 12. Now, checking out the back panel here of the Redmi Note 12, we do have some Redmi logo, as well as some FCC branding, and of course, the rear camera module. Now, checking out the display, up front, we do have the 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1800 by 2400. As we mentioned earlier, it does support 120Hz refresh rate, DCI-P3 color gamut, and it has Netflix HD certification to ensure high-quality image when streaming on Netflix. Now, powering the Redmi Note 12 is a Snapdragon 685 processor that features an Adreno 610 GPU. We will be exploring more on the feature side of things on the Redmi Note 12 in our full review, so stay tuned for that. For configuration, the Redmi Note 12 has 3 variants, one of which is 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage, 6GB of RAM plus 128 of internal storage, and lastly, the variant we have has the 8GB of RAM plus 128 of internal storage. For battery, the Redmi Note 12 has 5000 mAh capacity with 33W fast charging support. Now, moving on to the cameras. The Redmi Note 12 packs a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera with an aperture of 1.8, an 8MP ultra-wide camera with an aperture of 1.4, and a 2MP macro camera with an aperture of 2.4. Now for videos, the Redmi Note 12 can record up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. For selfies, we got a 13MP front-facing camera with an aperture of 2.45. Now for software, running on the Redmi Note 12 is Android 13 based on MIUI 14. And that's pretty much it in this video. That's the Redmi Note 12 unboxing and quick hands-on. Let me know what do you guys think about this device in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and visit fugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.